Scrabble Slam card game, how to play. The object of the game is to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Pick a 4-letter word and arrange it using the letter cards on the table. Shuffle the rest of the deck and deal out all the cards to all the players. Players look at their own cards. Each card has a letter on the front and back. Both letters are indicated in the top corner of the card, with the top letter showing the front of the card and the bottom letter showing the back of the card. You are allowed to play either side of a card. Once everyone is ready, the dealer says, "Ready, set, slam," and the game begins. There are no turns. All play happens simultaneously. Players race to play a card from their hand on top of any letter in the word on the table to change that current word to a new word, calling out the new word you created. You may only play one card at a time. You may create any regular Scrabble accepted word. Proper names, places, acronyms, and words in different languages are not allowed. If a player makes a non-word or another unacceptable word, then the other players may dispute it and look it up. If the word is deemed legal, then it stays. If not, then the player takes the letter card back in their hand. Then the game continues. You may repeat words during play, but you may not place a letter on top of the exact same letter. Some cards are blank. These blank sides can be used to represent any letter. Play continues until one player gets rid of all the cards in their hand. Then they are the winner. In the event that you are unable to do this, then the player with the fewest cards wins.